Hello people, today I wanted to show you how I achieved such beautiful shape in 3ds Max. Uh, how to create such beautiful polygon shape. You can create any shape if you model car or scooter, but you have to do couple steps and you have to convert object couple times to be able to do that. I will rename those objects. Fence concrete. Okay. And then I need to hide visibility. Wait a minute, because before I show you I want to hide those items. Now I can show you what I will be doing next, because we need to create a spline shape. I wanted to use a circle instead. Okay, I didn't use auto grid. I would like to hide this shape isolate, so we can focus only on the main shape. Convert to edit spline. I don't know if this is possible to copy in edit mode, because even if you don't copy in edit mode, you can do that. You can still connect objects together, but I will copy in proper order. This is important if you do in proper order, because we will be attaching circles from bottom to top. Maybe I will change background. I prefer background because I use the different background. This is to do with V-Ray, but I don't really like it. I don't really like my background. I used to have nice, beautiful colors, but now it's barely visible. Okay, I will switch to V-Ray background. I think it's better because you can see splines. Now, okay, we have done this. If you want to connect to all together, all points, we have to use option break. Then we will connect automatic welding. We can use automatic welding. You hold the left mouse and you drag by left mouse button. I shouldn't have done that way. I should have done from bottom instead. You cannot do that before you use option break. You have to do break again to be able to connect once again. Because I will be able to do further modifications once again. I don't know why Max works like that, but I discovered that you have to use command break to be able to edit edges of the spline once again. You can also divide the spline. And after when you divide, you can select vertices and use option break. again, because after when we finish editing that, we will be using a modifier surface. But you have to have points selected. If you do like that, they will be disconnected. So you have to use a lasso selection to select everything at once. And also choose use a selection center. As you can see, you can also scale like that. And I just was thinking to divide the segment. You can still customize shape and divide. Just in case, I would like to save as a different project, Spline modeling. Okay, break. I like very much that modeling tool. I wish Blender had that possibility. In some cases I prefer Blender more than 3ds Max, but Blender doesn't have the same tools. I like best surfaces in Blender, but to be honest with you, Max has large possibility when it comes to modeling organic shapes. I think after when we finish I think I will be using modifier, mesh edition, patch, spline edition, surface. Threshold, we will use 0. We have quite a large number of steps. You can check subdivisions. Remove internal patches. Flip normals. We will leave as it is. This will remove, for example, if vertices are duplicated or patches, it will remove automatically duplicated patches. I think maybe a little bit higher. Convert, we don't convert to polygons yet. We will convert to patch. Then after that we will convert to polygons. Why you have to do step by step? Because if you convert from a surface to polygons, you will not have proper topology. Proper topology you won't have. And I will change shape a little bit. Even if you convert to editable patch, you can still edit that object. I think there is option subdivide. Oh, I like very much. Okay, subdivide. I like very much 3ds Max because of that possibility. Always save guessing just in case something goes wrong. Okay, subdivide. I was thinking to add some segments because I want to create a more rectangular shape before I convert to editable patch, editable polygon, and local. I think I need to rotate object because I cannot manipulate properly. Axis wasn't working properly. But you can use something like place working pivot. This is very useful utility. Place working pivot. This version of FreeGS Max has better tools. Wait a minute. Why I cannot select this? The thing is, you can see artifacts, but we still have options to decrease subdivision of the patch. Unfortunately, I will have to convert that object. I was thinking, do I have any artifacts? You can see, unfortunately, we will have to get rid of that patch because this is not connected, unfortunately. I don't know if FreeGS Max has that option to connect that, because after when you convert to polygon, this will not be able to bridge. I don't know what to do in this case. Okay, after conversion, I will see what happens. And what I supposed to do? I try to find the solution because I don't like how Max behaves. You can see this should not exist, what we got here. Maybe after when I add a segment, this should disappear. I will check if I can fix that problem. Ignore backfacing. Will be easier for me to select only visible polygons. Oh yes, I fixed that issue. I think. Now you can see this is disconnected. I have to see after what happens after conversion to polygons. Oh no, this should not exist by angle. I think this program had option like weld, modern version of 3ds Max. Oh, I like very much. Okay, what do we have? I think this should help our polygon. I will convert to a gig poly, then I will see. Come on, forget Max. Why it behaves like that? I have to revert changes. I don't have time to think. This is one downside when you work with patches. But you can still fix. I will try to use a collapse tool. Maybe collapse tool will fix. Oh no, I don't have visible vertices. I never had that issue. What to do in this case? Oh, sorry people, I didn't know if I use this, I will not be able to see vertices. Sorry, my fault. Collapse. Collapse is great because it also works with vertices. But I don't like when I see downsides of this tool. When you convert from patches to polygons, unfortunately, I don't know why this top object was disconnected. You can also wait a minute. You can also clean up little bit polygon when you have too many edges. Well, okay, split edges. We can remove when you hold the control button. You can remove points at the same time. But you have to hold the control button on your keyboard when you clean up polygon object. Because we need a clean and nice topology. I think now is perfect. I hope you like my video. Check if you selected the by angle option. You can always fix your polygon if you have any problems. Also, another tool which I like is target weld. Also, you can scale polygon, so it will be okay if you use scale because you can make it plane flat. Now is flat polygon. I think our shape now. Oh no! By accident, I delete polygons here. It's my fault. I have to fix it. This tutorial should be short, but I showed you steps what you can do to edit polygons later on. I hope you like my video tutorial spline modeling. You can have any shapes. It's time consuming, but it is worth using this tool. I also have hidden objects. You can see how beautiful that stuff can be if you spend more time creating more complex shapes. I hope you enjoyed my video tutorials. When I use the splines, I also use the handles to manipulate the shape of the volume of the object. Okay, bye guys.